I call her the woman king of Nigerian comedy. Asaba, make some noise for the warri pikin.
DJ, bring her, no time. Asaba, where did they play? You can come on my glass, man, see you now. I see us all of on a fresh like seafood. Oh, Bob. I don't like the one and not clap for me. Now because of when I wear this white jeans. I know they carry wear white jeans. Either I wear black or blue. But I wear this white jeans and I'm supposed to know say I'm very intentional in this Asaba. It's my first time in Asaba to perform comedy. FX. Wow. Now, wow. I thought I really call your cause. It's my first time in Asaba to perform comedy. Wow. Thank you for clapping. You will not suffer with pain. But many years ago, I don't come here to perform other things. So, if you know, you know. That Orchid Hotel still exists. Orchid Hotel, they exist. Now be smart in my see for that hotel. One useless boy when a friend, one Asaba boy. Oh! Action, they talk, say, with a form, with a love, momu love. Love and a love. Boy, why go cash the shit? Now me go beg her. I see noodles for a phone. Nude, breast. It's a breast cancer patient when they pray for. Are you a pastor? Are you liquid metal? At the school for Bini, I go call you for night, come meet man. Give her all my school fees. It's not in my eyes, see you. Thank God, say God, use the case you could take console me. Because if I not marry well before, it will pay me. But nothing sweet reach where your ex not make her. The idiot never see make it in now. They are he can never make it. The day when I say I go break up with her, and that day when he carry me go club, we there for club with the dance. Now I say man, I go peace. Wow. He can never, my ex can never stay table. Now wow. My ex not stay table. You know people afford regular, right? Now no tell the talk. I need to swear for her. Carry me reach the club finish. I say make I go peace. I come back, they collect one girl number. Now I tell her, say, you are disrespecting me. I just say make I go peace. Why they collect girl number? He says it's not what you think. I don't need to think. I'm waiting. I see. Now first I say let's go. Because say sorry, I don't answer her. We enter motor with the drive, they go. He says sorry, I don't answer her. Normally, to know whether man's serious, he must tell you sorry reach 3 times now. Nothing. I say, stop this car, I'm done. You know, say the idiot park. I say, back off, let's catch me. I say, no, I'll be old worry. Now, come on, sit better. Come down. You know, say the idiot drive go. As I stand for there, I look my right, nobody. I look left, only one. I showered at the end of the street. Go one killer. Now the guy could drive, they come back. As he idiot, they drive, come back. I say, hey, no, if you leave me now. As he drive, come back, wind down. Now he say, take you, forget your purse. Now he drive, turn, go carry the Ashawo, go. Use Ashawo, replace me. Now I break up with her. But thank God, say last, I'm married well. To marry Igbo man? If you're not married to an Igbo man, you're not married. I'm sorry. I'm not friend Igbo man before, the one when I friend I married. Igbo Kwenu! Una too much! I've been married for 11 years. I don't get one issue to say I won't leave marriage. If you dare here, you marry Igbo man, and you don't get problem, you don't get it cold. Make I explain that for you. Want my glass for me? Igbo man, they're very cheap. They need only 2 things. Two things. And I want to know respect and fuck. That is a good place to clap. Igbo man need only two things. Respect her. Not the follow they argue. Shut up your mouth. Listen to them. The way Bible they talk, a man is the head, you are the neck. Yes. Respect her. The fuck am. Igbo man, I like fuck pass for this country. You know say the day when you get to go papa die fuck. Error. We there so during pandemic now they call from big village say if papa don't die, he can call the crowd, they console him. Give her food in our shop. Night call rich, we say make we sleep. I call Olam, you know that kind of normal Olim. The next thing, so they shook me. I said, where did they shook me? I don't want first pay attention to them because I don't believe the person will die. What fuck? The next thing carry up for my breast. I say, wow. I say, okay, don't touch breast now. That breast, they swear. You understand, Abi? Your G-spot. Breast. Wow. Who be the wale way they call to wale since? At this table. Where you lodge? Now I say, okay, make I just give her. As I give her finish, they do. The time when Keshuku won't just come, now papa goes appear. Say, oh, SMH! My useless son. Igbo man, too sweet. My next life I go marry Igbo man again. No, I know the joke. Because if you say I'm not happy for marriage, I go funny. I'm not funny now. My colleague they talk just now say country ad like brokosu. Shout out to Inda Boski, the liquid metal we use. What do you use? Shaker. A bit of shaker bring dollar go down small. Our savings account not they save us again. The country is turning on its own. Bobrisky win best dressed female. Portable the shout brotherhood. All wood na wood though. You see brotherhood go sister. You know what I see for them. When I tell no say you don't quote there for this country and when my head pa go borrow money for Pampe. I just did my own, I received text. A chronic debtor named Chief Krobanos is on the run. He dropped your name, address, and number. If he does not pay, we know you are innocent. We don't want to tarnish your image. We will disgrace you online. I said, my own destiny helper, chronic debtor. Now once I call him, I say, Chief, something funny just happened. They are using your Pampe. You need to sue them. They use your name till they want due people. And they talk to her and all the answer and all the bricks are there. I said, sir, you listening to me? He said, it is swear. Now they are telling us, say it already. Now once I go learn how to orange. Yes, now you need to learn another trade. Which day, yes, social media glitch. They say social media want off and I need to go carry my result to go define work. I learn how to orange, not be 2.5 I pay. With egg, it serve juju. Now, rainy season, if you want to do any event, rainy season, not fair. I'll cash out. Don't worry yourself. My joke don't finish. Now this photographer, they just say he hide rotting. If he die, he hide rotting. I hate photographers. If you now realize, when I do my anniversary, my 10 years dream wedding, I not post video, I post a picture. I know the reason why. Because photographers like this. Videographer. My marriage beginning to end, that first wedding, that one where we say we rent cake. Now, we rent cake, she go wear coat of arms. This kind of marriage with that one. We count money where they spray us. 9-2. Dance on that song. Marriage start till finish. Nobody realize. Cameraman forget to press record.